A heavy downpour in the early hours of September 18 has triggered flooding that submerged Hospital Road and Akogun Street in Ajeromi Felodun local government area of Lagos State. Residents lamented that blocked drainages along the street linking to Westminster Road worsened the situation. One resident, Mrs. A. Uzo, described the rising water levels as dangerous, warning of possible outbreaks of waterborne diseases. She appealed to authorities to urgently clear the major drainages by the expressway to allow free flow of water and deflood the area. The flooding forced many shops to shut down, while motorists and pedestrians resorted to alternative routes. Another resident disclosed that the community has been underwater for 4 consecutive days since the week's first rainfall. After 6 months of political stalemate and federal oversight, the Rivers State House of Assembly held its first official plenary session on Thursday at 10 a.m., signaling a major step towards restoring normalcy in the state's governance. The plenary, led by Speaker Martin Amewule, convened at the conference hall of the legislative quarters along Aba Road in Port Harcourt, where lawmakers have been meeting temporarily amid the crisis. This return to legislative activity comes just a day after President Bola Tinubu announced the end of the emergency rule in Rivers State. The president's decision also reinstated Governor Siminalayi Fubara, his deputy, and the suspended members of the House of Assembly, effectively ending the direct federal administration that had been in place. Lawmakers were expected to use the Thursday session to set a new legislative agenda and chart a new path forward following months of political tension. The sitting was also seen as a potential turning point in fostering reconciliation and restoring institutional stability in the state. Political observers say the Assembly's comeback will play a key role in determining how swiftly Rivers State can rebound from the prolonged disruption. However, at Thursday's plenary, lawmakers demanded a review of how funds were spent on projects and programs during the 6-month emergency period. The motion, sponsored by 9 members including House Leader Honorable Major Jack, Deputy Leader Honorable Linda Somiari Stewart, and 7 others, was unanimously adopted by all 26 members present. Reading the motion, Jack noted that the emergency rule officially lapsed at midnight on Thursday, restoring full democratic structures in the state. Jack further noted that several contracts were awarded and funds spent from the state's consolidated revenue account by the outgoing administrator, making it necessary to establish a clear picture of what transpired. Speaker Right Honorable Martin Amewule, after a voice vote in which all members backed the motion, said the Assembly would formally write the governor to request the names of commissioner nominees and a fresh budget.